In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add guests to meetings in Hubspot. This is a quick and straightforward process, but it can really enhance your scheduling capabilities and ensure that all relevant parties are included in your meetings from the get-go. Let's dive right in and make sure you're on the right track. First, head over to the Hubspot homepage. You'll want to be sure you're visiting their official site, which serves as the main hub for all their software and tools. Once you've reached the homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Login button. Click on that and enter your login credentials to access your Hubspot account. If you're prompted to verify your identity or go through any additional security steps, make sure to follow those instructions carefully. Now that you're logged into HubSpot, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home, your main dashboard within the platform. This is where all the magic happens, as it hosts everything you need for managing your business activities, including meetings. On this homepage, you'll see a section labeled Library. Clicking on the Library button will lead you to the area where all your documents, templates, and scheduled meetings are neatly organized. Next, it's time to locate the Meeting Scheduler. Within the library, find and click on Meeting Scheduler. This is the tool where you can manage all your meetings, customize settings, and as we're about to see, add guests. Once you're in the meeting scheduler, locate your specific meeting. Next to the meeting information, you'll notice an edit option. Go ahead and click edit. This will open up the meeting settings and provide you with a variety of customization options. The next step is crucial. Look for a tab or option called scheduling. Click on scheduling to explore the related settings. This is where you can adjust when your meetings are available and the parameters that apply to scheduling those meetings. After you've accessed scheduling, navigate to the tab labeled Form. This section allows you to customize the fields and options seen by those booking a meeting with you. Finally, you'll find an option that says Allow Guests. By clicking this, you're enabling the feature that allows additional guests to be added to your meetings, ensuring everyone who needs to be present can be. By following these steps, you can seamlessly add guests to your HubSpot meetings and improve the efficiency of coordinating gatherings. With this feature enabled, collaborating with multiple stakeholders becomes smoother and ensures no key players are left out of important discussions. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you to make the most of your HubSpot meetings.